I'm Mark Henry and I'm the founder and development engineer at Solidteknics, and I've had several decades experience in this industry developing equipment for chefs all around the world. That's what I do. Way back in university when I developed the first Furi knives, and all the chefs said, well, you've made a one-piece knife, why don't you do that with cookware, because these rivets drive us crazy, and if we've got plastic or other materials, they just don't survive. And if they make a seamless one-piece pan, body and handle, no rivets, no welds, no nothing, and everyone told me it was impossible, unless it's the old, beat one out for hammer, the way it's been done for 3,000 years. Not really viable these days.
We just saw the pans online, and everything about them was aligned to the kind of cooking that we loved, and so
it was like it was made for us, that pan. So
the good thing is with these pans is that even if you burn something or forget to turn the element on and the whole thing goes crazy, it doesn't take a lot to just get it back to its original state.
it's the first thing we pack in our bag when we do a fly-in, fly-out barbecue comp.
Our products last for multiple generations. They become family heirlooms. So that's why on every pan we make, we stamp the date. And the reason is that in several generations' time, people will be looking back and saying, wow, way back in ancient 2020, they really got this right, because we're still cooking on it 500 years later.
Is that a bad business model? Because everyone's going to stop.
I get asked this all the time. In fact, I think you've asked me at least 3 times on video. So yeah, we do get asked a lot. You can't survive too long. Once you've sold your pans to every household, your products are going to last so long that there's no obsolescence in effect, and you'll be out of business. Yeah, that may be true. If I've come up with nothing else, then I'll be out of business and then my job's done. 12 million disposable pans going in the landfill every year. Now, if every household had our pans, there'd be 0. Yes, legacy for me is not monetary. It's leaving the spirit of manufacturing things that are more than just objects.